Time now to move to property for an update on this week's auction results. Well, for his expertise, we're joined now by Kevin Brogan from CoreLogic. Kevin, is it springtime yet? Stronger auction clearance rates this week yet again. Talk us through the results.
Yes, certainly, Tikki. Look, we've had a combined capitals clearance of 79.6%, so tantalisingly close to 80 there. Look, and it is confidence on the buyer side of the equation. We're still seeing relatively few auctions because of the seasonal impact. So Sydney, 84.7% clearance rate from 389 results out of 500 auctions. And Melbourne, a clearance rate of 79.7%. Coming out of 538 results from a total of 665 auctions. That weighted capital result of 79.6 is definitely shored up by some strong performances coming out of Brisbane, probably the most improved market week on week, and also Adelaide at 72%. Canberra sitting also at 68.9%, contributing to that combined capital average.
Right, and we always talk about prestige property. Where is this week's prestige property? I think it's in Sydney, a 3-bedroom unit that sold for over $5.5 million.
Yeah, that's right, Tikki. So this is in Pyrmont in Point Street. So it looks out over Jones Bay Wharf out towards Sydney Harbour Bridge. It's 185 square metres of living area, but it's on the top floor. So as you can probably see, there's almost 100 square metres of outdoor living with views out, as I say, over Jones Bay Wharf towards Sydney Harbour Bridge. So, you know, really top spot, walking distance to the Sydney CBD.
Well, that is a very, very nice little pad looking at that there. Overall, do you think we're headed for a good spring?
Yeah, look, I think as we've seen a strengthening trend in clearance rates over the last few weeks, the clearance rate in Sydney in particular at almost 85% is the strongest we've seen for a couple of years. The big question is when vendors are going to return to the market. If you're a vendor looking at these clearance rates, they would be giving you every encouragement that if you list your property for sale at auction, you're heading towards a successful result. So hopefully we'll see some more volume returning to the market soon.